Today, I'll show you how to scan on Adobe Acrobat. First, it is important to know that there are two common ways to scan with Adobe. You can scan from your computer using Adobe Acrobat and a connected scanner, or you can scan from your phone using the Adobe Scan mobile app. Let's start with the computer method. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure your scanner or printer scanner is connected, turned on, and ready to use. In the latest Acrobat layout, go to the top toolbar and select Create. On the page that opens, choose Scanner from the left side. Now open the Scanner drop-down menu and select your scanner from the list. Adobe's 2026 Help Guide shows this as the current way to scan paper documents directly into PDF using Acrobat. Next, choose your scan settings. You may be able to select color, black and white, grayscale, page size, and whether you want to scan one page or multiple pages. If you want the scanned PDF to be searchable, turn on the OCR option if it is available. OCR means Acrobat will try to recognize the text in the scan, so you can search or copy text later. Now place your paper document on the scanner. Click Scan. Wait for Acrobat to scan the page. If you are scanning more pages, follow the prompts to add the next page. When the scan is complete, review the PDF. Make sure the pages are clear, straight, and in the correct order. Then click File and choose Save As. Give the scanned PDF a clear name and save it to your computer. Now let's talk about the mobile method. Install the Adobe Scan app on your iPhone or Android phone. Adobe says Adobe Scan can capture documents, receipts, forms, business cards, and whiteboards, then convert them into PDF files. It also supports automatic edge detection and OCR for searchable text. Open Adobe Scan. Point your camera at the document and let the app detect the edges. Take the scan, adjust the corners if needed, then save it as a PDF. You can open the scan later in Adobe Acrobat to comment, sign, edit, or share it. So, to keep it simple, use Create, then Scanner in Acrobat if you have a connected scanner, use the Adobe Scan mobile app if you want to scan with your phone, and that's how you scan on Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.